Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear engine mount on Ford vehicles with a 2 liters petrol engine with engine code AODA, AODB, AODE and SYDA. To get access to the rear engine mount, we need to go underneath the car. This is the rear engine mount. You need to remove the engine under tray if there is one. And these are the bolts that we need to remove to get the engine mount out. So now I'll start removing all the bolts that I showed. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. There is 2 more bolts left, one of them is there. I'm going to use my pneumatic gun, and the other one is on the subframe. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the engine mount, and now you can replace it and then put it back on. Now I'm going to put the engine mount back on the car. I'm going to put it in its place, and I'm going to get a pry bar just to move the transmission a little bit to the front so that I can put the engine mount in its exact position. First I'm going to put the engine mount into the subframe, and then I'm going to put it in its exact place on the transmission. Afterwards, if it doesn't want to go in all the way, I'm going to use the pry bar just to move the transmission a little bit. Here you can see how I'm moving with the pry bar the transmission to the front a little bit so that I can put the transmission mount into its position. And now that it's in position, I can put the bolts on and start tightening them. First I'm going to put on all the bolts, and then I'm going to tighten them afterwards. There's 2 more bolts that we need to put on, one on the subframe and the other one here on the side. But in order to get their holes aligned, I need to use my pry bar again so that I can move the transmission to the front a little bit. And now the hole will align and I can screw on the bolts. Here you can see the transmission needs to move a little bit more forward so that the hoe aligns, and then I'll put on the bolt. That's the bolt in the hole there. Now I need to tighten all the bolts, and then I'm done with replacing the rear engine mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.